Hi, my name is Lori Berg from AVI-SPL, coming to you live from InfoComm 2025. Right now we're standing in front of the Symphony platform. It's the monitoring and analysis of your multi-vendor AV and UC environments. But what I'm going to show you is how we do that. This is our entry point right here. We're going to click right here, take a look at our Cisco endpoints, and we're going to go pick one of those. Let's go take a look at the Cisco SX80 and see what Symphony's telling us about it. We've got ping latency, video speed, content speed, etc. But then we can also come over here, see all the kinds of things that we can monitor and control. Let's go take a look real quick. Turn your backlight on and off. Look at your camera connected. You can ticket on any of these pieces of data, but the beauty of Symphony when all is said and done is all of this ticketing, all of this information brings you right back into our analytics, giving you all kinds of big data about your environment. Welcome to the land, InfoComm. Wireless is sometimes a little futzy. Take a look at all of this information that you're going to be able to get. You're going to be able to understand your environment by ticket priority, resolution, manufacturer. And this, in a very quick nutshell, is AVI-SPL Symphony. Welcome, and go take a look at us at AVISPL.com. Have a great day.